Hi, in this video we are going to work on the second trumpet part for prime on trumpet, and we're going to focus on the first 10 measures. So I'm going to walk you through everything and make sure you're ready to play. We have a fast tempo of the quarter note getting 151 beats per minute, and our time signature is common time, which is the same as 4/4 time. So 4 beats in each measure, and the whole note gets those 4 beats. We start on a whole note C, our dynamic level is piano, and we crescendo into a quarter note C that is forte and has this type of accent. When you see this type of accent, the note is going to get more weight and more volume, but it's going to be more separated than this style of accent. So this one is more like a poke, and this one is more like a push. So we start on C in the first 2 measures, and then we do the same pattern on D for measures 3 and 4. 5 and 6, they're half note Cs that have this accent, so a little bit of separation between each note. Measure 7 is a whole note D, and then at measure 8, we have an F that is mezzo piano. We crescendo to the A, and then we go to a whole note a whole note G that is forte. And then we rest in measure 10. So no new notes or rhythms, we just have some new dynamics and accents and things like that. So I'm going to start my metronome, and I'm going to play it for you, measures 1 through 10. And then after you listen, go back to this point right here and you can play along. So this is right around the 2-minute mark. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. And that is the first 10 measures of the second trumpet part of prime. I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.